had a cloudy and foggy day across the region, but even with that, temperatures stayed pretty warm this afternoon, starting to cool off now, staying on the mild side, but as those temperatures drop off, we are beginning to see more of that fog forming across the region. Visibility is noticeably lower than what we had just a little while ago looking at this view overlooking downtown. As far as the actual reading at the airport, 8 miles, 1 mile though out on Hilton Head, and at times this fog is going to be dense going into the overnight hours, so we will likely see those readings around a quarter of a mile or less. As far as temperatures right now, we are in the upper 60s, upper 50s for Hilton Head, definitely a little bit chillier out along the coast. 68 degrees right now for Rincon, and these temperatures will be able to cool off into the 50s as we head into the overnight hours, but just staying in the middle and upper 50s. A lot of cloud cover will be with us, and the fog will be thick as we head into the day tomorrow. In the first part of the day, you can see that really expanding across the region as we go into the overnight. Lots of us will be dealing with near zero visibility going into the first part of our Friday. It's not going to be until 9 and 10 o'clock when a lot of that will be able to mix out of the atmosphere. The sea fog will be an issue again for tomorrow, so that might keep our beach locations just a little bit cooler than for most of us on land, but our forecast high temperature for Savannah, upper 70s for tomorrow afternoon. Some of us inland will be in the lower 80s. Even warmer conditions for Saturday are expected along a cold front that will move through late in the day. It will bring us the chance for some showers, and then the winds will pick up going into Sunday, and that will bring us much cooler conditions going into the first part of next week. But until then, warm and humid conditions prevail. We have a warm front lifting northward across the southeast. That's allowing more of that air to flow northward from the Gulf. Also, that moisture helping to fuel some extra showers and thunderstorms along a frontal boundary. Strong and severe storms are possible tomorrow as this front does sweep across the southeast, but it will be weaker till it gets to our area. Just a few showers expected for our local forecast, and then the colder air will filter in going into Sunday and into the early part of next week. For tonight, it is going to be a foggy one. Temperatures staying on the mild side. Low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, so not much different from our typical afternoon high temperatures, which is typically in the 60s for us here in Savannah. As far as the highs tomorrow, they will be in the lower 80s for many inland locations. For the boaters, not a bad day overall on the waterways. South wind 5 to 10 knots, giving us seas right around 1 foot. You'll just have to watch out for that fog near the coastlines for Friday. Likely that will be the same case going into Saturday. A few late day showers are possible as that front moves in. Upper 70s for highs, and then noticeably cooler for Sunday. 63 degrees for the high temperature. The strong breeze will make it feel a little bit cooler at times, and then much chillier for Monday and Tuesday of next week with those temperatures in the upper 50s. Lows below freezing possibly for many of us. We'll get a little bit milder at the end of the week ahead of the next system. That'll bring us the chance for a few spotty showers once again. So definitely a big change on the way next week.
Thank you so much.
Joy Lamar will have your sports coming up next.